Hello guys, welcome back. I hope you're all having a very lovely day. So I'm currently in the process of packing for Paris Milan Fashion Week, which is honestly just insane to say this out loud. Like I have had this trip booked for a really long time, but it is actually just surreal that it's finally here and I'm leaving in 3 days and I'm so excited, but I'm also very nervous. I have a lot to do between now and Saturday, but the most important thing that I need to do today is just pack and figure out what I'm even bringing with me on this trip. Obviously we have very limited suitcase space, so pretty much every item I bring has to be super versatile and something that I can really easily pair back with everything else in my suitcase. But anyways, I thought it'd be really fun to just go through this together, try on some outfits and just figure out what we think the vibes are, what we think I should actually bring with me, and hopefully you guys can help me work through this and we can decide together. Anyways, let's get started. All right, so pretty much what I've decided to do for this video was pull a bunch of pieces from my wardrobe that I've loved wearing recently and just see what kind of outfits I can create with these pieces. For some of the shows and events that I go to during Fashion Week, I will potentially be getting loaned items from the brands, and this would happen while I'm already in Europe. So the outfits that I actually need to mainly be considering and like focusing on before I leave are looks that I could wear for Reese's, showings, dinners, cocktails, events, that kind of thing. I'm packing a mixture of simple and casual outfits and then also some more dressy, elevated outfits. And I think the thing that I will be focusing on the most when I'm trying to decide what to pack is just trying to pack items that can really easily be dressed up when they need to be by just simply adding some heels, a different bag, or a different accessory. I'm sure this comes as no surprise, but I'm not actually packing a lot of color with me. Firstly, because I just don't really wear that much color in my like everyday life. I'm more of a neutral girl, as I'm sure you guys already know. But secondly, I just find a more neutral color palette is so much easier to mix and match with, and this way pretty much everything I do pack should really easily fit together when I am sort of creating my outfits each day from my suitcase. I did decide to pack this blue shirt though, just as a little bit of pop of color, and I think it will look cute over skirts and dresses as well. As you can see in this video, a lot of the combinations I am creating are outfits you've probably already seen me wear 10 times before. It is because I just love these kind of outfits the most, and I want to make sure that while I'm over there, I feel completely myself and super comfortable wearing tried and true outfits that feel authentically me. I think during these fashion weeks or any really like major fashion events, you can get really easily caught up in trying to create outfits that are super unique or very different to perhaps what you're used to wearing, or I guess like at the very least what people expect you to wear. But I always think that the people that look the coolest at these events are the ones who are probably just wearing outfits and items that they've actually had in their wardrobe for so many years. And the thing with these outfits is that they are usually just very simple and very minimal. So this is exactly the kind of vibe that I really am channeling for this trip. I have obviously included a couple of newer, like more fun pieces into the mix as well. I was so obsessed with this crochet dress from Van Roy when I tried it on in the store last week, and I cannot wait to dress it up with some like knee-high boots and a trench coat, a blazer, or like a leather jacket. Bag-wise, I packed this Gucci bag because it is simply iconic, and a couple of other designer pieces, but I also packed quite a few like understated bags as well that had like no branding, such as the simple black bag from St. Agni, which you'll see during this video, and a brown bag from AS. I've really been loving these more like toned down, very minimal outfits recently, and sometimes branding can just take away from this a little bit. So it is kind of nice just to have a mixture of both different bags in your wardrobe that can just, I guess, work with different outfits and go with whatever you're feeling on that day. You guys know how much I love jeans, and I was having a really hard time deciding on what jeans to bring because I love all my jeans so much. They all like hold a very special place in my heart, and I kind of wanted to pack like 10 different pairs, but figured this would get me over my weight limit very quickly. So instead I packed 2 pairs of blue jeans and 1 pair of white jeans and 1 pair of black jeans, which I guess is still quite a lot of jeans for 3 weeks, but it is what it is. These ones are from the brand Rouge. They are so good. I've had them for years now and they've actually worn really well. They're very chic, minimal, and look great with ballet flats, but also heels, which I think is very important. So there will definitely be some black tie, or at the very least like cocktail events that will come up during this trip. So I was thinking to pack a couple of gowns or like maxi style dresses just to, I guess, like prepare for this. This one is from Manning Cartel and it is so incredibly stunning. I have sadly not had the chance to wear it yet, but I think I will definitely get a chance on this trip. So I think definitely worth packing this one. Shoe wise, I will pack some black and white heels, and that way I can kind of just decide on the day what I think works. But I think with this outfit, it actually looks really cute with the white heels, and it kind of pairs well with the matching white Miu Miu bag. I'm definitely packing lots of long sleeve tops, like white, black, grey, sort of different tones like that. I'm finding myself just gravitating towards this style of top so much recently, so I can definitely see myself creating heaps of outfits with these kind of pieces. They're also just really easy to like pair back with trousers and jeans and shorts and skirts and everything else. Brown leather jacket in my wardrobe for over a year now. It's from the Open product and I honestly just love it so much. It is definitely a forever piece. I'm just not sure if it's worth packing for this trip. Like, I do wear it all the time, but it's such a heavy piece and it's going to be so warm in Europe when I'm there. So I just don't know. You guys let me know if you think I should bring this one with me. It has been so fun creating this video and also just creating all these outfits. I hope this helps me get dressed every morning, but also I really hope this inspires you to create outfits with pieces that you already have in your wardrobe. Anyways, that is all. I will see you guys very soon in Milan.